Welcome to a video on the equation of a tangent and a normal. So a reminder, the equation of a line is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. To find the gradient of a tangent, we find the derivative and we substitute in the x value to give us the gradient of the tangent. And the gradient of the normal is the negative reciprocal of the tangent gradient. So here's our first example. We're going to find the equation of the tangent to the curve y equals x cubed at the point 2, 8. So when we find the equation of the tangent, the first step is we've got to find the gradient of the tangent. So we differentiate y equals x cubed and we get y dash equals 3x squared. When x equals 2, y dash equals 3 lots of 2 squared. So the gradient of your tangent is 12. Substitute it into your formula, y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And if we expand and move the 8 across to the other side, we end up with y equals 12x minus 16. For our second one, we're going to find the equation of the normal. So to the curve f of x equals 1 minus 2x all squared when x equals 1. You will notice in this case, we don't have a y value. So that's going to be the first thing we're going to find. So finding the y value first, we sub the 1 in to our original function, the 1 minus 2x all to the power of 2. And when you sub that in, you get a value of y equals 1. Next, we've got to find the gradient of the tangent. So we differentiate, f dash of x is 2 lots of minus 2, bracket 1 minus 2x, we lower the power by 1. So giving us minus 4 outside of 1 minus 2x. And then we sub in x equals 1 to find the gradient of the tangent. So by substituting 1 in, we get minus 4 outside of 1 minus 2 times 1. So we get a gradient of the tangent is 4. Giving us the gradient of the normal being the negative reciprocal of minus a quarter. So using those two factors, the x equals 1 when y equals 1 and the gradient of the normal is minus a quarter, we can find the equation of the normal. So we get y minus 1 equals minus a quarter x minus 1. Expanding that bracket gets you y minus 1 equals minus a quarter x plus a quarter. Adding the 1 to the other side gets you y equals minus a quarter x plus 5 quarters. For other facts, if we wanted to do it in general form, we can multiply everything by 4, gives us 4y equals minus x plus 5, and make the x positive, so we're going to add the x and minus the 5 across. So our equation of our normal in general form is x plus 4y minus 5 equals 0. Thank you.